Namaste students. Today is our fourth session in chapter 6, that is the search for genetic material. Now for a long time there was a search continuing to search for the genetic material, that what is the genetic material. Here the first experiment comes of Griffith. Frederick Griffith, while working on Streptococcus pneumoniae, a bacterium, while he was working, actually he was trying to prepare a vaccine for this bacterium. It causes pneumonia, a fatal disease. So he was working to find out the vaccine for this particular bacteria, and accidentally he found that there are two strains, that is the R strain and S strain of the same bacteria, and among these two strains, one strain was virulent, that is disease causing. He experimented on mice with the two strains. He found that when he injected the mice with R strain bacterium, the mice survived, the mice lived. When he injected the S strain bacterium, the mice died. So this confirmed the virulent form of this strain. Now next he wanted to find out what causes the mice to die. So he used a heat killed S strain, a bacterium. He used it in a killed form, and then he injected in the mice survived. To his surprise, the next what he did was he used heat killed S strain plus live R strain. That is the two strains when alone, R strain and heat killed S strain, when they were used alone, the mice survived, but when they were used in a combination, the mice died. So he concluded from these findings, he concluded that there is certain transforming principle, a transforming matter that has transformed from this heat killed S strain to the R strain. This transforming principle, actually he could not find out what is the chemical nature of this transforming principle, but this much he was sure that something has been transferred from this S strain and to R strain. R strain got transformed. This he called transformation, and he gave the principle of transformation, transforming principle. So he concluded that something has entered in R strain from the S strain, and it converted the R strain into a virulent form, and this caused the mice to die. So this was the transforming principle discovered by Griffith. Now, but as I said, he could not find out what is the biochemical nature. So the experiments were further continued by another scientist. They were McCarthy, Averill and MacLeod. Three scientists, while working together with the same experiment, he found out that when they used different enzymes in this setup, they concluded that DNA is the genetic material. Now how they concluded? They used first protease enzyme, and they find out that the infection was there. They used RNase enzyme and again found that infection was there. And thirdly, they used DNase, the enzyme that degrades DNA, and they found that infection couldn't take place. So they concluded that DNA is that transforming principle that transformed RNA to the S strain. So thus the credit of biochemical characterization of transforming principle goes to these three scientists, and thus the work now concentrated on the study of DNA. Now many scientists tried to find out what is actually the genetic material. They just gave a path. They gave a path for the direction, or the direction. The further scientists, they confirmed the DNA for being a genetic material. Thank you.